how to fix Facebook session expired problem. So if Facebook is constantly logging you out, because one time Facebook had a server problem where they logged out everybody automatically, even if you logged in, Facebook wasn't working. So you want to make sure it is not a server issue. If it is a server issue, you might want to wait a couple of hours until hopefully they fix it. Now, some ways that you can fix it is by long pressing the Facebook app icon. Tap on the I button to come to its app info page. From here, just navigate to the storage tab, then click on clear cache and also try to clear the data and click the delete button. And once you've done that, open up your Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, just type in Facebook. Check if the Facebook app has an update, and if it does, just make sure to update the Facebook app to the latest version. After that, now you can open up Facebook and try to log into your account, and you will most likely not have the problem. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.